In this video, I will show you how to connect Square to QuickBooks. First, log into your Square account. Once you're logged in, you will see your main dashboard. In the middle are your analytics, and on the left side is your menu list for settings and customizations. Go to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. A new list of options will appear. From here, select App Integrations. On your main board, click on the button that says Visit App Marketplace. You will be redirected to a new Square tab. And at the center of your screen, you will find a search bar. Type in QuickBooks, then press Search. When the results appear, click on the first card that says QuickBooks Online. After that, simply click on Get Started to begin the connection process. However, keep in mind that accessing this integration requires a paid plan, and that's how to connect Square to QuickBooks.